Alright, this problem is number 28, and the question reads, suppose h of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 5. With the domain of h being the set of positive numbers, evaluate the inverse of h with the x equal 4. So what we're going to do is take this function and we're going to complete the square. So we're going to take h of x equals x squared plus 2x, leave a blank, minus 5. So it's going to look like that. And if we take this number, we divide it by 2, we get 1, and then if we square that, it's still 1. So we're going to put plus 1. And since we don't have any coefficient on the outside that's multiplying times this, we're just going to subtract 1 on this side to make the equation even. So this gives us h of x, x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 6. So now we're going to make this simpler. It's x plus 1 squared minus 6. So that is what it equals now. But now we have to find the inverse of this function. So we're going to swap our variables. So it's x equals y plus 1 squared minus 6. And since we want to isolate this y, we're going to move our 6 over to the x side. So x plus 6 equals y plus 1 squared. So now we just need to square root both sides. So this is x plus 6, but you can't forget your plus or minus, equals y plus 1. Now we need to move our 1 over so we can further isolate it. So y equals plus or minus the square root of x plus 6 minus 1. But we're not done, because it says you evaluate the inverse with the x being 4. So now we have to put the inverse of y equals plus or minus 4 plus 6 minus 1. So that equals plus or minus square root of 10 minus 1. And we can't further reduce this 10, so it's going to be, our answer is going to be f inverse of x equals plus or minus the square root of 10 minus 1.